we must be careful to thank God for the blessing of a great country that we have and the strides that we are making together as a people. And even as we rebuild relationships amongst ourselves, with our sons and daughters, with our children, with neighbors, with our neighboring countries, and all round, we must be careful always to thank God for what God has done to us and for us as a nation. Because it is said, if we are not grateful, if we are not thankful for the little, we can never be grateful for more. And therefore, I want to ask us as a nation, as a people, to work together.
Seen from our political leaders between our countries, we must use a moment like this to arrest those situations, because it doesn't look tidy when brothers and neighbors are talking at each other. We must build good relationships and sustain them. Your Excellency, in the same manner, we need to build relationships across generations.
You know, I said earlier that human beings have the propensity to always prefer being evil to being good. And there's a great writer called Graham Greene. He wrote many books, and I've read many of them. The Heart of the Matter, Our Man in Havana, The Confidential Agent, The Room at Midnight, My Journey Without Maps, The Power and the Glory, Quiet American. But in one of those books, The Heart of the Matter, he says, in relation to Jesus, he says, goodness has only once in humanity found a perfect incarnation in a human body, and never will it again. But evil can always find a home in the human body, and it's you to resist the temptation to be a refuge for evil. I want to encourage us as Kenyans not to be the refuge for evil, to love one another, to appreciate one another, to lift those who are below us to where we are, and to pull those behind us to walk with us.